Hello, my name is Jensen. Today I'm going to show you how to build a Lego classic car. First we need to start with the wheels. You don't have the support. So now we have the base. Now we build the car front. And we take this brick and put it on. Then just put it at any end. If you want the wheels to be small, it's okay. But if you want it big, that's also okay. But for me, I prefer the small wheels. Next, we shall start with the doors. Oh, it doesn't snap. Okay. Then put this green cylinder circle. Then take one of this line, this 2x1 piece, and put it on this block. Any color of this block is fine, but I usually prefer one color per block. So then we have the steering wheel. You can put any of this first. Oh, it doesn't fit. Yes, I'll do this first. If it doesn't work, this might be bumpy. It's because I don't have the flat green. But if you do, you can use it. Now we start on the back of the car. If you have the flat one, that also be okay. But then you just need to put it at the end here at the corner. Yeah. And then there. Go. Okay, here we go. So as you see, the front this is silver. If you have black or any other color, it also be fine. These cars are other cars that I built. You could say this looks like the Transformers Ironhide. This is more of a roadster. It's kind of cool with this engine. So hope this video was helpful for those who want a Lego car. Goodbye.